Check out who's coming here. Hello and welcome to another video. I'm in the area of Bushat. That is shortly after the big town of Scooby. Here I am in Albania. Yeah, and this morning older shepherd came by with his goats and he greeted me in my car. He said, "Buongiorno." Okay, and I answered him, "Yes, good morning." And he said, "Is everything okay?" I said, "Yeah, everything good, super." And they went on. So here you can see the place at daylight. I have parked here at the cemetery, but this was not intentionally. I wanted to go up this hill, but the road was so muddy down there that I stopped here. And it's better to be on tarmac because I want to replace one fuel hose here. It's from the tank. There is a small rubber hose that I want to replace. And I had new information about the ignition, so I will adjust it another time. Yeah, because Scooby is running, but it's less power than before, so the ignition is not correct. And now I will adjust the contact again. Before working on the car, I had to clean the pan and the lid from yesterday's pizza evening. There's really a lot of cheese on it, and also the plate and two glasses I have washed up. Yeah, so now I'm starting with the repair. Yes, every time I'm finished working on the car, I say to myself, "Oh, well, you're so slow," because it's now 3.5 hours later. And what have I done? Yes, I have changed the hose in the back from the tank, and then 2 hoses on the front. I've not changed all hoses. I have changed the petrol filter again, and then I tuned the ignition again. So, and I have found out that the engine was not running good, still not running perfect. So in idle it's okay. When I press the gas, then it will rev up to 3,000, 4,000, and then it will begin to stutter. So, and then I have removed the vacuum hose that is running from the carburetor to the ignition, to the distributor, and yeah, and that worked. So there's something wrong with the high rev tuning of the ignition with the vacuum hose. I have not been on the road with the car now with the vacuum hose disconnected, but I think it will run better now. I will try it out, and if not, I can put it on again. But well, so what should I do now? It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I have not had any breakfast, so I will eat now. And I hear the goats are coming back. There they are. Yes, so it's really late to begin to drive because my destination is Tirana, the main capital city of Albania, and I want to go to a laundry self-service there. Yeah, but this will take time, and then I have to drive on out of the city to find a place. I have looked up a place, but it's maybe 20 kilometers outside of the city, so that will take also time. So that's too late for that. Yeah, now. So I think I will stay here again. Check out the goats. The goats are coming. I'm still here. No. No Italiano. You speak Italiano?
Io sì.
Yo, Italiano?
Sì. No, parlo italiano.
Ah, ok. Wow. Nice.
Ma niente paura qua.
No,
Paura, niente.
niente. Germania. Alemania.
Germania?
Yeah.
Ah, bravo.
Si. Okay, good. Ciao. Yes, as you have seen, the shepherd is speaking Italiano. Italian. Um, that's funny. Oh, there are still two behind here. Oh yes. Hurry up. Oh, they're really afraid of me. I think I will check out the mountain now, because I have time to make a small hike up the mountain there. But first I have to eat breakfast. Yes, very important now. Beautiful weather now, sunshine is back. So I walk up the hill here on the path that I wanted to drive yesterday. But as you can see here, there are still deep mud puddles. And over there, yeah. So you have to swerve around all the water obstacles. So here's a nice view. Wow. So this looks hard, but it's rare. It's soft. Still water in here. You see the goat feet. So it's really soft. Yes, this is a mud hole that pigs would love. When I looked it up on Google Maps, I thought the way uphill would be like this here. And there is left and right, there are flat spaces. But in between, the road was really steep, and loose stones and so on. So that wasn't possible for Scooby to drive up there. And then also these puddles in between with a very wet road. Everywhere. Mud everywhere. Really beautiful with the small flowers. I'm trying to get up the mountain. Oh, well, it's a steep way. Let's see if there's a way. Yes, I know. If there's a will, then there's a way. Yeah. Oh, this is so amazing here. Look at the thousands of flowers. When I follow the path of the goats up the mountain, will that make me a mountain goat then? Wow, what has happened here? Someone has removed all the grass. Oh, there's a sign. Maybe someone started to build a house here? Well, what's going on here? There are more holes here. Hey? What? Are these here the remains of an ancient civilization? Who knows? Let's step over it. Yes. So, continue mountain climbing. Yes, what are the two good things about climbing a mountain? First, of course, the view. And then second, the higher you get, the less garbage is lying around. When I watch travel videos on YouTube, I always ask myself, why do all the people want to go to the top of the mountain? Yeah, and now I'm doing it myself. Yes, it's not far, but steep. Yeah, nearly I've made it. It was not so bad. The road was down there and now the rest is, yeah, a little bit off-road climbing here. It was so nice and quiet behind the hill, and now you hear the traffic noise again. So this is a view in one direction here. This is where I came from. That's the big city of Shkodra. And here is the other side of the view. In the distance there's a river. It's 2 lanes. And right in the middle there's a small house where Scooby is parked. And I'm nearly as high as the mountain over there, with the antennas on top. Yo, check it out here, the yellow butterfly. Wow, that's a big one. Lots of smaller butterflies here and bees. I was wondering why all the thorn bushes here have no leaves and look so dead. So there might have been a fire here on the hill that has destroyed all the bushes, because as you can see here, this looks really black and burnt. So, and in between there are still some green leaves. Yeah. And I'm back at the mysterious holes. And the one thing I could imagine is that they're harvesting small stones here, because the first layer, there are so many stones in there. Maybe. Yes, I'm happy because I went up the hill and have done something today. Enjoyed the beautiful sunny weather. It's so warm, but the sun is not that brutal anymore, so you really can enjoy the warm sunlight without getting burnt. Ah, yeah. I'm walking back to Scooby slowly. For dinner I have the last third of my pizza from yesterday. So this is really great, and then I have lots of cookies for the evening. Yeah, this is how a day should end, with delicious cookies and chocolate. But it's not the end of the day, it's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So what should I do? When it gets darker, then I will cut the video again. The weather was too beautiful on the last days to cut a video inside. So yeah, well, that's why they are getting more and more days that I have to cut. That builds up a little bit of pressure, yes. The thing is with cutting the videos is that I mix up the dashcam footage and then my driving footage, and when I talk and when I show the scenery with the camera, and so to get it all in a good order is really difficult sometimes, and that will take longer than 3 hours. Yeah, and then it's really exhausting to lie on the bed. Then always my right finger is falling asleep. But I had tried out to sit in front on the passenger side seat, and I had the laptop on the table and then cut the videos there. But it's also not good because the chair is so hard, even with some cushions on it. It's not enjoyable because the chair is a little bit too low for my height, and I have to get my legs under the table. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, it's so beautiful here after sunset, the rainbow colored sky. And this side here. Oh, nice.